If you own one of the 5 cars I'm about to show you, a thief could have it running in under 30 seconds. No key, no alarm, nothing. These aren't rare exotic cars either. They're some of the most popular vehicles in America, sitting in driveways right now, completely unaware they're on a wanted list. I'm ranking the 5 most stolen cars in the country using real 2025 crime data, worst to first, straight from the National Insurance Crime Bureau. And before we get into it, next video, I'm flipping this completely and showing you the 5 cars thieves can barely touch, the ones with security so good they practically laugh at car thieves and move on to the next driveway. So subscribe now because you're going to want to see both halves of this story. Let's get into it. Starting off at number 5, the Honda Civic. 12,725 of them stolen in 2025 alone. And here's the thing that surprises most people. It's not that the Civic is a weak car, it's that it's everywhere. Honda has sold millions of Civics in America over the last 2 decades, which means there's a massive, thriving black market for Civic parts. Airbags, in particular, are a favorite target. A single stolen airbag can resell for several $100s, and a chop shop can strip a Civic down to sellable parts faster than most people can file a police report. Older Civics make this even easier. Models built before the early 2000s didn't come with an engine immobilizer at all. That's the chip in your key that talks to your engine and refuses to let it start without the right signal. Without that chip, thieves can hotwire an older Civic in minutes using tools you could buy at any hardware store. So if you're driving an older model, especially in a city, this is one to take seriously. Number 4 is where things get a little more unsettling. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500, with 16,764 thefts last year. This one isn't really about old, outdated technology like the Civic. It's about newer technology potentially being exploited. There's an active lawsuit alleging that certain GM keyless entry systems are vulnerable to something called signal cloning, where thieves use a handheld device to intercept and copy your key fob signal from a distance, sometimes while you're just walking into a grocery store. No smashed window, no forced entry, no alarm going off in the middle of the night. Just your truck, gone, with the thief holding a cloned signal that thinks it's your key. Full-size trucks like the Silverado are also targeted because of what's underneath the hood and around the frame. Engines, tailgates, and wheels all have strong resale value individually, sometimes worth more broken apart than the whole truck would sell for used. If you own a newer Silverado, especially with keyless entry, this is genuinely worth researching further for your specific model year. At number 3, the Hyundai Sonata. 17,687 thefts in 2025. This one is tied directly to a problem you might have already heard about because it went viral for all the wrong reasons a few years back. Certain Hyundai models that didn't come with push-button start were missing a basic anti-theft chip called an immobilizer, the same technology issue affecting older Civics, but on a much larger scale here. A few years ago, this flaw exploded across social media, with videos showing teenagers exactly how to start these cars using nothing but a USB charging cable. It became known online as the Kia Challenge, even though Hyundai models were caught up in it too, since the 2 brands share a lot of the same underlying technology. The good news is, Hyundai has since rolled out software fixes and anti-theft updates, and thefts of these models have actually dropped nearly in half compared to just 2 years ago. But the damage to public awareness stuck around, and so did the theft numbers, at least partially. The Sonata specifically remains the single most stolen car in 5 separate states, including Florida and Massachusetts, which tells you this isn't just a one-city problem, it's a coast-to-coast one. Number 2 on the list is the Honda Accord with 17,797 thefts in 2025. Here's what makes the Accord spot on this list different from the others. It's not really a technology flaw or a viral hack. The Accord has landed in America's top 10 most stolen vehicles every single year since 2016. That's not bad luck, that's a decade-long pattern. For most of that stretch, the Accord was actually the best-selling sedan in the entire country, which means there were millions of them parked in American streets at any given time. Thieves, like any business, go where the volume and the demand are. More Accords on the road means more buyers lined up for stolen Accord parts. Engines, transmissions, airbags, entire door panels. It's less about the Accord being flawed and more about the Accord being the automotive equivalent of a popular sneaker, so common and so in demand for parts that it basically sells itself on the black market. If you own one, especially in a major metro area, it's worth knowing you're driving one of the most consistently targeted cars in the country. And the most stolen car in America right now, the Hyundai Elantra, with a staggering 21,732 thefts in 2025 alone. To put that number in perspective, that's roughly one Elantra stolen every 24 minutes all year long. This is the third year in a row the Elantra has taken the #1 spot nationwide. Same root cause as the Sonata. Older Elantras built without an engine immobilizer became a prime target once people figured out you could start one with a basic USB cable, no key required at all. Hyundai has pushed out anti-theft software updates in response, and to their credit, thefts involving Hyundai and Kia vehicles combined have declined for 3 straight years now, dropping from 21% of all vehicle thefts nationwide down to just 14%. But even with that progress, the Elantra's sheer popularity on American roads keeps it sitting at the very top of the list, well ahead of the Accord in second place. Here's the part that ties directly back into your wallet, even if your car never gets touched. Every one of these thefts doesn't just cost the person whose car disappeared, it drives up insurance premiums for everyone who owns that same model everywhere in the country, whether you've ever had as much as a scratch or not. Insurance companies price risk across the entire model, not just your individual driving record. That's exactly why several of these cars also show up on the most expensive to insure lists, not because they're fancy or fast, but because insurers are pricing in exactly how likely your specific car is to vanish from your own driveway overnight. So if your car made this list, don't panic. There are cheap, genuinely effective ways to make yourself a much harder target. A visible steering wheel lock, a hidden kill switch wired into your ignition, or even a $30 gear tag tossed in your glove box can be the difference between a thief moving on to an easier target or spending the extra time on your car specifically. The data backs this up too. The vast majority of car thieves are opportunists looking for the path of least resistance, not professionals specifically hunting your VIN. And remember what I said at the very top. Next video, I'm doing the complete opposite of this list, the 5 cars in America that are practically theft-proof and the real security technology that makes thieves walk right past them without a second look. If this video just made you a little more paranoid about where you park tonight, that follow-up is going to make you feel a lot better. Subscribe now so you don't miss it, because it might genuinely change what you look for on your next car.